This man is a genius. He managed to turn a scrap truck tire into a motorcycle. He had just graduated from college, and his plan was to apply for an engineering job at a car company. He asked for a monthly salary of $18,000, but his boss turned him down. The boss told him, "You need to show me a project, something that will truly impress me." So, the man decided to create something that would blow his boss away. He started by drilling holes in iron rings based on the bearing spacing he needed. Then he colored the prepared parts. He connected several bearings and screws together to create a rolling mechanism. Next, he fixed the rolling device inside the wheel hub, tightened the screws, and secured everything. Once the motorcycle wheel hub was complete, he had to install a brake caliper inside the wheel. The man then made the linkage bracket. Once the motorcycle frame was done, he attached it to the tire. At this point, the front wheel assembly was complete. The rear wheel was built in the same way as the front. Since the rear wheel is the drive wheel, after installing the brake, he connected the transmission gear and welded on a fixed rod. Once the rear wheel was finished, he moved on to the engine assembly. It was a 300cc high-power engine. Next, he worked on the power transmission system. After installing the engine and the frame, he combined the engine with the transmission system to complete this massive project as quickly as possible. The man worked non-stop for 2 days. Once the motorcycle frame was installed, he added the wiring and brake levers. Then, he connected the mudguards and fuel lines. After installing the motorcycle's outer shell, this creative motorcycle was finally ready. When the boss saw the man's work, he was extremely impressed. He praised the man and raised his salary to $30,000 a month. Do you think the boss got a good deal or not?